Hello, hello, good morning, and here we are once again on our last day in Antalya. Tomorrow is the flight back to Cambridge or London, I would say. So, today we will get a chance to do the last bits of our trip in Antalya. So, the moment it is 9:30, I tried my best to not to get started early because, as you know, we don't find breakfast. But despite all my efforts, I think it was impossible for me to delay more than this because I couldn't just stay in the bed. So here we are now, but looks like things have opened. So yesterday we tried that chocolate restaurant. Probably we can try this one, or let's see what else is open, if there is something open. Otherwise we are going to catch our bus and we'll visit the waterfalls. They are called Duden or Upper Duden Waterfalls. They're about, I guess, 40-50 minutes away from here by bus. But before that, let's see if we can find to eat something. So I'm just walking into the direction of the bus stop, and if on the way we come across some place, that would be good. Alright, after walking straight for a couple of meters, 10, 20, 30 meters, we have come across to this junction, and across the junction I can see this kofte bus which seems to be open. I think this would be our last chance to have breakfast before we go. Let's give it a go and see what have they got. Not too heavy, but let's see. Or is it just for drinking at the moment? I don't know. As we guessed, it's just drinking for now, so gonna take this Arabian shake, middle size. Let's see how it goes. Here is our Arabian shake, guys, with the slice of watermelon on top of it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but yeah. So as I was looking for Duden Waterfall, and it's just 9:45, I think we have a long day ahead. So I was also looking at if I can visit Espendos, but it seems to be way out of the track. So I need to figure out if I can find transportation there, some kind of transportation that can take me there. So that's what I'm going to do at the moment as well. Alright, so shake was good. Will do help in spending good 1-2 hours, I guess. But at the same time, he was cash only, so I have finished my cash. So let's withdraw something. I don't know what it is saying. Maybe this. I think it was, do you want a receipt or not? Good luck. Let's see. Here comes my card. And here comes my 100 liras and a receipt, which I don't really need it, but I don't know why I give them still. The thing is, there are no bins here. That is very big of a problem at the same time. Now I need to carry this with me. Alright, then the other thing I need to do is I need to check how much money I have got in my Antalya card before I run out of it. while I am trying to catch a bus. I think I should have maybe more 2 or 3 trips, but let's have a quick check at the machine, which is just here. So, otherwise, we will load it up with another 1-2 trips. So to check, you just put your card on it, and yeah, we have got 59 liras, which is good enough. I would say 59 lira means six trips. I will be gone by then. Now let's move into the direction of bus stop. Alright, looks like we are outside the restaurant where we had our breakfast on one or the first or the second day. But this time we are here for the bus, not for the breakfast. It should be, I think this is the bus stop, and the bus number we are looking for is MK8080. Some metal utensils workshop kind of thing. So let's wait here, guys. This is the bus stop. Right, again we have got this mini bus coming in. Didn't know that. I was expecting but this mini bus had a card reader, which is a bit different. Nevertheless, let's take the seat, guys. This is a different kind of minibus with a card reader, I think. You don't know which one you're gonna expect. You're gonna get a big bus, small bus, a bus without a card reader. Who knows? Okie dokes. Looks like we have arrived to where we were supposed to arrive. I just need to check now where it is. It shows somewhere in this direction. If I am not going in the wrong direction, I'm just following the maps. But I don't see any signs for the waterfalls. That's a bit interesting. Maybe here. Yeah, here they are. I think they have got a ticket. I need to buy a ticket. How much is it? Entrance fee 10 lira looks like.